Thanks to the power of the internet, it has never been easier to make money from home or start a side gig for extra money. However, if you work full-time or even part-time, finding availability to tackle another side job can be difficult. Additionally, if you want to significantly boost your income to get out of debt or start investing, you need a side job that pays well. Online English teaching is an accommodating and lucrative side hustle you can start from the comfort of your own home. There's massive demand to learn English from native speakers. A 2018 report from iResearch estimates China's online language education market alone will reach $77.39 billion by 2022. Globally, there are plenty of opportunities to make money teaching English online. If you're a native English speaker and want to make money by helping students around the world learn English, here are the best websites you need to start teaching online and making a respectable income. Our best piece of advice when applying to teach English online is to submit your application to more than one company on this list. The more places you apply, the greater your odds of getting hired. Magicnet Teacher is currently the top choice for ESL teachers from the USA and Canada. Founded in 2017, this company is a great option for English teachers. The platform connects teachers with Chinese students aged between 4 to 12. Lesson planning, marking homework, and speaking with the students' parents are all dealt with by Magicnet. You're simply there to teach. Classes are only 25 minutes long, and you can earn up to $26 per hour. GogoKid is a great option for teachers from Canada and the United States. This relatively new company has been around since 2018 but has been quickly making a name for itself. The platform connects English teachers with Chinese children aged between 3 to 12. You won't have to worry about creating lesson plans, marking homework, or speaking with the parents. GogoKid takes care of that, and you get to focus on teaching ESL. Classes are 25 minutes long each, and you can earn up to $7 to $10 per class. However, there are incentives for an additional $2.50 per class, bringing the potential total to $12.50 per class or $25 per hour. VIPKid is an excellent option for North Americans who want to teach English online to children in China. This company came onto the scene in 2013 and has been exploding ever since. The platform connects Chinese students with teachers, and they deal with the lesson planning, marking of tests, and speaking with the parents of the children you teach. When I taught English in China, those were things I had to do on my own, which was definitely a downside. Classes are between 25 to 30 minutes each, with a potential earning of $22 per hour. Cambly is a much more informal teaching setting than Magicnet Teachers, VIPKid, QKids, and GogoKid, and there are many differences. The people who you'll be talking with already speak English at some level, and for the most part, they are just wanting to practice their conversational skills. This is a platform where students sign up and pay a fee and log in via an app to chat with tutors who are online. Teachers can log in at random, or you can book a shift. Although there are students from all around the world, most of them hail from Saudi Arabia. As of recently, however, there has been a boom in South Korean and Turkish students. Endocy is completely different from the three companies and programs I listed above. With Endocy, you set the pay rate that you will be charging your students. If there's a language that you are fluent in, English, Japanese, German, Russian, etc., then you can apply to become a teacher of that language. You will be in charge of the lesson and the platform it is taught on, Skype, FaceTime, Google Hangouts, or Zoom. The rates you should charge are based on your previous experience, your credentials, your student feedback, and what others are charging to teach online. From what we can see, the professional teachers are charging around $25 per hour, while the community tutors are charging around $12 per hour. Basically, if you price yourself out of the market, you won't have any students. You must be a native speaker of the language you are choosing to teach. Palfish. This is a relatively new company with many Teach English online jobs available. Founded in 2015, this is another company connecting English teachers with Chinese students. And actually, Palfish says that even if you're a non-native English speaker, but you have a very neutral accent, you are welcome to apply as well. Another bonus of teaching English online with Palfish. You don't need a university degree to teach, but you do need a TEFL certificate, which you can easily get here. You can sign up to be an official teacher or as a free talk teacher. Learnlight is a great platform for teaching English online to business professionals from over 100 different countries in a wide variety of sectors. They offer teachers an extensive library of materials to ensure you're offering the best classes possible to your students. There are programs for virtual groups, one-to-one sessions, specialized skills courses, and level assessments. You'll need a TEFL certificate, 2 years of experience, proficiency in the English language, 10 Mbps internet connection, a laptop or desktop computer, a headset, and a webcam for this position. The great thing about Learnlight is that you can get jobs teaching English online, as well as Spanish, French, Italian, German, Portuguese, Chinese, Japanese, and Russian. Skimatak. This platform specifically focuses on teaching English online and doesn't offer any other language classes. They connect eager learners with teachers from all around the world. You'll only have to teach English online for a maximum of 25-minute classes with Skimatak, and you can choose to teach as many or as few classes as you wish. For this platform, no previous teaching experience or a TEFL certificate is required, making it one of the best platforms for new online English teachers to get their foot in the door. You must be a native speaker from able to speak American, British, Canadian, Australian, New Zealand, and / or Irish English fluently. All classes are done over Skype. One downside to this platform is that you'll have to complete 3 25-minute classes at first for free, and then your fee will automatically be set to $8 per 25-minute session. Preply is an online English teaching platform that helps students to prepare for the professional world by teaching them how to speak confidently in public and understand the written word. The platform helps students connect with tutors and online English teachers who can help them achieve their learning goals. Students come from all over the world, and the age ranges from young learners to seniors. With Preply, you won't need a TEFL certificate or previous experience, though if you have both, it will help you to attract more students. If the student likes you, they can choose to hire you as their online English teacher to teach English online to them for 5, 10, 15, or 20 hours. Your earnings will depend on the hourly rate you set in your profile. Preply takes a 100% fee for your first lesson, and then around 18% to 33% after that. The more you teach English online with Preply, the lower their commission rate will be. Teaching English online is worth it. You can make good money, and in many cases, you can teach English online from anywhere in the world. On top of earning a good wage, as a teacher, you'll be able to make connections with your students. It's rewarding to know that you're making a difference in their lives. We hope that this article inspired you to teach English online, either as a full-time job or as a side hustle. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, guys, this is Rachel signing out.